Friends, welcome you all to Think Max. We are in class 10 Max, chapter 8, Introduction to Trigonometry. In this session, we are going to discuss about exercise 8.2, question number 1. So, first question. In the first question, we have 5 parts. So, it is evaluate the following. So, it is given that sine 60 degree, cos 30 degree plus sine 30 degree, cos 60 degree. So you all should remember the trigonometric table to solve this problem. Okay, children. So what does trigonometric table says? It gives the values. So this is the trigonometric table. So now we have sine 60. So sine is here 60 degree. So for sine 60, the answer is root 3 by 2. So let us write that root 3 by 2 into cos 30. So what is cos 30? Cos 30 is also root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 plus sine 30. So sine is here. 30 value is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into what is cos 60? Cos is here 60. It is 1 by 2. Okay, children. So now we have to calculate. So what is in the numerator? It is root 3 into root 3. So it makes root 3 into 3 divided by 2 into 2. It is 4 plus in the numerator we have 1 into 1. It is 1. 2 into 2. It is 4. What is root 3 into root 3? If in square root the number is in pair, the answer is that number. So it is 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So here in the denominator we have same number. So the LCM is 4. There will not be any change in the numerator. So it is just 3 plus 1. So 3 plus 1. What is 3 plus 1? It is 4 divided by 4 equal to 1. So this trigonometric table is very important. You must all remember this table. Suppose if you just forgot this table, you have a trick. So what is that? So for 0. So write the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So first you frame the table for sine value. So how to write? Write the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now divide it by 4. 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. So what is 0 by 4? It is 0. So write 1 by 4 as such. 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. 3 by 4 as such. 4 by 4 is 1. Now take square root. Square root for all. So square root for 0 is 0. Square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 4 is 2. And square root of 1 is 1. And square root of 2. So write as such. Square root of 3 is, write root 3 as such. Square root of 4 is 2. So square root of 1 is 1. So we got 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. So we got this first one. If you get the first row, other rows are easy. So for cos, you have to write from back. So 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. So write the sign values from backwards for cos. For tan, it is nothing but sine divided by cos. So 0 by 1 is 0. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. So this 2 gets cancelled. So 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2 is 1. So root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. So on denominator we have 2. It gets cancelled. So root 3 by 1 is root 3. 1 by 0 is not defined. So if we get these three values, either cosecant, secant or cot are all easy because cosecant is inverse of sine. So 1 by 0 is not defined. So if you reverse this, it is 2 by 1, 2. Root 2 by 1 is root 2. This is 2 by root 3. 1 by 1 is 1. So secant is the inverse of cos. So 1 by 1 is 1. Just to reverse this, 2 by root 3. Root 2 by 1 is root 2. 2 by 1 is 1. So here 1 by 0 is not defined. Next cot is nothing but inverse of tan. So 1 by 0 is not defined. So if you reverse this fraction, it is root 3 by 1. So root 3. 1 by 1 is 1. So this is 1 by root 3. Next one, this is not defined. It is not defined means take the cos by sine. Cot is nothing but cos divided by 7 sine. So 0 by 1 is 0. Okay, children? So if you frame the sine row, you can easily find out the remaining values. Next question. Second part, it is 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sine square 30. So let us find out the values from the table. Now it is tan square 45. So find the value for tan 45. So what is the value for tan 45? It is 1. So 2 into 1 square plus what is cos 30? Cos is here. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 whole square minus sine 60. So sine 60. So sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 whole square. So which is equal to 2 into 1 square is 1. Here root 3 by 2 whole square. So this is nothing but root of 3 into 3 divided by 2 square. 2 square is 4 minus in the same way we have root of 3 into 3 divided by 2 square is 4. So 2 into 1 is 2. So if you check these two values, both are same. So it gets cancelled. This is plus and this is negative. So both gets cancelled. So the answer is 2. Okay children, I hope this problem is very easy. So moving on to the third part. So third part, it is cos 45 degree divided by secant 30 plus cosecant 30. So first let us find out the values for this. So what is cos 45? Cos 45, it is 1 by root 2. So which is equal to 1 by root 2 divided by secant 30. So secant 30, it is 2 by root 3. So 2 by root 3 plus cosecant 30. So cosecant 30 is 2. So these are the values. Now we have to solve it. So it is 1 by root 2 in the numerator. In the denominator we have root 3 in the denominator. So root 3 is the LCM. So if we take root 3 as LCM, in the numerator we have 2 plus 2 root 3. So now we have to take this denominator to top. If we take this to top, that is if we take this to multiplication, it will be inversed. So what happens? 1 by root 2 into, if I write this number, it will be inverse. So it will be root 3 by 2 plus 2 root 3. Okay. So root 3 by 2 plus 2 root 3. Now we have to avoid the square roots in the denominator. So first we are going to avoid this square root. So in order to avoid this square root, we have to multiply by root 2 on numerator and denominator so that nothing will change. So 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 plus 2 root 3. I am going to multiply by root 2 by numerator and denominator. So what will happen then? Which will be equal to, in the numerator we will have root. So both are in square roots. So then we can multiply that number. So it is 3 into 2 divided by what is root 2 into root 2. So in square root the number is in pair. So if it is in pair, the answer is that number. So you will get 2. So remaining we have 2 plus 2 root 3. Now we have to remove this square root 3. So this is in addition. So we have to multiply by the conjugate. Conjugate means, so it's this plus will change to minus. So 2 plus 2 root 3. Its conjugate is 2 minus 2 root 3. So we have to multiply and divide by 2 minus 2 root 3. So in the numerator it is square root of 3 into 2, 6 divided by 2. Again we have 2 plus 2 root 3. So its conjugate is 2 minus 2 root 3. So we have to multiply with conjugate 2 minus 2 root 3 and divide with the same conjugate 2 minus 2 root 3. So if you multiply with this, it is 2 root 6 minus 2 is here. In square root, we have 6 and 3. So 6 into 3 is 18 divided by 2 into, this is a plus b into a minus b. So what is a plus b into a minus b? It is nothing but a square minus b square. So a plus b, a minus b. So a is 2. So a square is 2 square minus b. b is 2 root 3 whole square. So in the numerator we have 2 as common. So take the 2 outside. So remaining it is root 6 minus root 18 divided by 2. 2 square is 4 minus this 2 square is 4. Root 3 whole square is root gets cancelled. So answer is 3. 4 into 3. Now these 2's gets cancelled. So remaining we will have root 6 minus root 18 can be written as 9 into 2. So this root 9 will become 3. So square root of 9 is 3. So we can write 18 as 9 into 2. So divided by 4 minus 4 into 3 is 12. Okay. So now what we have? Root 6 minus 9 into 2, not 9 into 2, square root of 9 is 3. So 3 remaining root 2 divided by 4 minus 12 is minus 8. So we can change this negative sign by multiplying with this negative sign in numerator. So if we multiply, this will be interchange. This minus will become plus. So it will be 3 root 2 minus 6 divided by 8. So this is the solution for this problem. Okay, children. So I hope you can understand this problem. Moving on to the fourth part. Fourth part says sine 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosecant 30 divided by secant 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. First let us write all the values. So first one is sine 30. So sine 30 is 1 by 2. So which is equal to 1 by 2 plus what is tan 45? Tan 45 is 1 minus cosecant 60. So cosecant 60 is 2 by root 3 divided by what is secant 30? So secant 30 is 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 plus cos 60. So cos 60 is 1 by 2 plus cot 45. So what is cot 45? Cot 45 is 1. So we substituted all the values. Now we have to calculate. So in the numerator we have 2 root 3 in the denominator. So 2 root 3 is LCM. So let us take 2 root 3 as LCM and multiply throughout by 2 root 3. So now here if we multiply here by 2 root 3, 2 gets cancelled. So you will have root 3 plus multiplying by 2 root 3, the same here minus. So now here if I multiply by 2 root 3 gets cancelled. So 2 into 2 it is 4. So this is the calculation for the numerator part. So in the denominator we also have 2 root 3 as LCM. So now multiplying throughout by 2 root 3. So if we multiply here by 2 root 3 gets cancelled. So 2 into 2 it is 4 plus again here by 2 root 3 2 gets cancelled. So root 3 will be there. So in the 1 if we multiply by 2 root 3 1 into 2 root 3 is root 3. Now we have root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 divided by 2 root 3. So this is in the numerator. In the denominator we also have fraction. So now I am going to take this fraction to top, that is in product. So if we change this to product, it will be inversed. So it will be 2 root 3 divided by 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. Okay, children. Now this 2 root 3 gets cancelled. Next we have to calculate and take the roots in the denominator. In the numerator we have root 3 plus 2 root 3. So it will become 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by the denominator we have 4 plus 2. So not 4 plus 2, root 3 plus 2 root 3. So 1 root 3 plus 2 root 3 is 3 root 3. The remaining is plus 4. Now we have to remove this root 3. So we have to multiply by the conjugate. So what is the conjugate? It is nothing but 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 3 root 3 minus 4. Just to put a opposite sign. If it is minus, put plus. If it is plus, put the negative sign. Now we have 3 root 3 minus 4, 3 root 3 minus 4. So this is a minus b into a minus b. So it is nothing but a minus b whole square, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So what is a square? It is 3 root 3 whole square minus 2ab. So a is 3 root 3. What is b? b is 4 plus b square. b square is 4 square divided by, this is a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So a square is 3 root 3 whole square minus b square is 4 square. Now what is 3 root 3 whole square? 3 square is 9. Root 3 whole square, this roots gets cancelled. So it is 9 into 3 minus 2 into 3, it is 6. So 6, and then we have 2 into 3, it is 6. Then we have root 3 and 4. So 6 into 4, 24. So we can write it as 24. 24 root 3 plus 4 square is 16 divided by, here 3 root 3 whole square. So 3 square is 9. Root 3 whole square is, root gets cancelled. So it will be 3 minus 4 square is 16. So what we have in the numerator? 9 3s are 27 minus 24 root 3 plus 16 divided by 27 minus 16. So what is 27 plus 16? 27 plus 16 is 43. So 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by 27 minus 6 is, what is the value of 27 minus 16? It is 11. So the answer is 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by 11. So this is the solution for part 4. Okay children, I hope you can understand this problem. So moving on to the last problem of this session, fifth part. 5 cos square 60 plus 4 secant square 30 minus tan square 45 divided by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. First let us write all the values. So it is 5 cos square 60. So what is cos 60? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So it is cos square. So 1 by 2 whole square plus 4 secant square 30. So what is secant 30? So secant 30. So secant 30 is 2 by root 3. So it is 2 by root 3 whole square minus tan square 45. So what is tan 45? Tan 45 is 1. So 1 square divided by sin square 30. So what is sin 30? So sin 30 is 1 by 2 plus, what is cos 30? Cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. These are the values. Now we will have 5 into 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4 plus 4 into 2 by root 3 whole square. So 2 square is 4. Root 3 square. So root gets cancelled. So it will be 3 minus 1 square is 1 divided by 1 by 2 whole square. So 1 by 4 plus root 3 by 2 whole square. Root 3 square is 3. 2 square is 4. Now we have 5 by 4 plus 4 into 4, 16 by 3 minus 1 divided by, in the denominator it is 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So if we have 4 as LCM, in the numerator it is 1 plus 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 by 4 is 1. So there is no calculation in the denominator. So you can write it as, now here 4 into 3 is LCM. So take 12 as LCM. 4 into 3, 12. Now multiply by 12 throughout. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. So 3 into 5, it is 15 plus 12 divided by 3. So 1 3s are 3, 4 3s are 12. So 4 into 16, 6 4s are 24, balance 2, 4 plus 2, 6. So 64 minus 1 into 12, 12. So in the denominator, we have 4 divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So there is no calculation here. You can just use only the numerator part. So in the numerator part, we have 15 plus 64. It is 79 minus 12 divided by 12. So what is 79 minus 12? It is 67. So 67 by 12. So this is the answer for the fifth part. I hope you can understand all the problems. If you like the video, just share, like and subscribe. If you are a good student, give your support by subscribing to this Think Max channel. Okay children, have a nice day.